Hello, my name is Alan from Headland and I'm here today just to give you a couple of tips on the Hanel lean lift. One of the key features of the lift is in fact an excellent redundancy system in the electronics. So there's a number of key areas, 9 subsystems actually in the lift that rely on proximity sensors and electrical components for the lift to operate. So with these electrical features, what Hanel did to ensure the ongoing availability of the machine was if you were to experience any fault, then you can switch to a redundant set of electronics. So we can see here, for example, is a small proximity sensor, but this has been replicated on the other side of the machine. So if you do find that something fails, you'll get an error message on the control panel. The screen will go red. It will indicate to the operator you have experienced an electrical failure. So at that point, we can just go to the control panel and activate the redundant system. You can actually have it on automatic or in manual mode, which I'll demonstrate to you in a moment. You can actually even select which particular electrical subsystem that you may choose to use in the redundant mode. So I'll just show that to you now. There is a button with a key on it, which is our service access button. So when we press that, in the blue screen at the top, we're going into a service mode, and we press that key again, and now we'll find that we have an option here, which is number 4, System Services Run Sequence. We press number 4, we then see Redundancy System. That's the one we want to go into, that's option number 2, so we press 2. We now have to enter a password. For the access to the redundancy system, we enter 22488. That now brings up the menu here, as you can see, enable redundancy function, and in this case, an option to have it automatic or not. Now in this case, we have preset it that it's not automatic, and we progress to the next screen by pressing the green enter button. On the next screen, we can actually select which of the electrical subsystems we want to deactivate and use the redundant system for. So in this case, we're bringing up on this lift the safety light barriers. If I press the enter key again, we could choose to activate or deactivate the article height detection system or the access proximity switches that I pointed out a moment ago. And we could activate any one of those to go to the redundant system. So we select which one we want, press the enter key, then exit out of the menu using the stop button. We come back and we are now back in operation and ready to continue. So the only thing you need to do now is call Headland Service. They'll come out and at a time suitable for you. They can repair or replace that faulty sensor or electrical component. But in the meantime, you've had full access to your lift.